guys, welcome back to my channel. So today also I have come with amazing face mask which will hydrate your skin and it will make your skin more healthy and looks more joyful. So let's start this. So for this you need only three things, and that three things is available at everybody's house, I think so. If not, also you can go and purchase it. The first thing is soap. Everybody has soap at home. So soap, I've made a powder. I've mixed the soap and the powder. I've crushed it. So you take the soap, add a tablespoon of honey, guys, add 1 tablespoon of honey, then add little bit of dahi. Mama, I'm sorry, I've called up Mama. So, see, I've added dahi also in this. So, you have to mix this all three ingredients. Mix it well. Honey, dahi, and soap. So guys, see, once you mix it, it will be like this. So guys, take it and apply on your skin. And you know, soap is always good for your skin because it keeps you during these summers. It keeps you cool. And even dahi and honey is always good. I'm sorry, I'm applying with the hand only because I feel I'm more comfortable with my hands. Make sure that your entire face is covered with this. Wherever you spend, you see the dark spots and everything. Honey and yogurt is really good. So make a powder of this. Soap you can get it. If you don't have it also, you can get it anywhere you want. So guys, as you have seen, I have applied this. So guys, once this is applied, guys, so see, I have applied this now. So almost I have applied the entire face. So guys, keep it for 10 minutes and just wash your face with your normal cleanser. I'll just wash it and I'll get back to you. Guys, so I have almost kept this for 10 minutes, 10 to 15. It's been 15 minutes now, but I'm gonna wash it. You can keep it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you like. So I'll just wash it and I'll just get back to you. I'll wash it with my normal cleanser which I use, normal face wash. Then I'll get back to you and let's see the results together. Bye. Hey guys, So I have washed this now. You can see, and I'm feeling so soft now. Can't decide in using it once, but it was nice. The experience was nice. So guys, if you like it, you can definitely try at home. See, whatever we use, it's all natural. It's not added chemical. So you can use and you can try, you can give it a try. If you feel like you liked it, then continue using it. I liked it, but can't comment in one use, but it was nice, feels fresh and hydrated. So done for the day, guys. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.